In this video, you'll learn how to automate Slack using n8n. By the end, you will be able to set up an automated workflow that integrates Slack with various applications for seamless communication. Start by navigating to the n8n website. Ensure you are on the n8n homepage where you can see the primary interface. Look for the workflow section, which is typically located on the left sidebar of the screen. Next, click on the templates option within the workflows section. This action will direct you to a library of available templates that can be used to create workflows. You should now see a range of templates displayed on your screen. After that, locate the search bar at the top of the template library. This is where you can find specific templates by entering keywords related to your needs. Click inside the search bar to activate it. Now, type in Slack automation in the search bar. Once you finish typing, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. The system will process your request and display relevant Slack automation templates. Next, browse through the search results and click on a template that fits your requirements. This will open a detailed view of the selected template where you can review its features and functions. Ensure that this template aligns with the automation task you wish to accomplish. Once you've selected a template, click on the Use for Free button. This action will initiate the process of adding the template to your workspace. Wait briefly as the system prepares the template for use. Finally, click on the Import Template to Own Workspace option. This step confirms your choice and incorporates the selected template into your personal n8n workspace. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the template has been successfully imported. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.